You searched how to buy shares of Aeluma Inc, which trades on NASDAQ under the ticker ALMU. Aeluma Inc operates in the biomedical and medical technology sector. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy ALMU, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will verify your account, usually with an ID, and you must add funds before purchasing. Use the platform search box and type the ticker ALMU to find Aeluma Inc. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to make sure you reach the correct stock page. On the asset page, check the basic company information and review the price chart to see recent movements. Confirm the NASDAQ ALMU listing and the company name to ensure it is the correct stock. To invest, click Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, review the order details, and then confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Once filled, your ALMU position will appear in your portfolio. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to visit the platform.